The actor helper controller is not just your pro attraction haunt scarer with LED strobe lights and an LED controller on board. It's an actor voice saver. If the actor needs to have a voice script that needs to be stated, it can be put on this. The actor can step away. Another person can come in and hit the button and play that voice for that actor. The actor helper comes with a 12 volt DC 3 amp power supply, a 12 volt DC 20 watt strobe light, the lights and sound controller, a foot switch or wall push button, a wireless remote, and a micro screwdriver. Actor helper setup. Really quick, easy to set up the strobe light. You just plug it into the back on the LED side. It's got a little groove that'll fit right into there. The step switch has 2 leads. They can go into either output. Plug those in. And with the screwdriver, tighten those down. Okay, now to set it up, there's the setup button that's right there. You're going to take that power supply and you're going to hold down the setup button while you plug it in, and you'll be in setup mode and you'll know it's on once the strobe light is on. You can move the dial all the way to the left and you'll have a slow strobe. As you move it to the right, the strobe will speed up. It'll be anywhere from 2 to 35 flashes. If you're in the center, it'll be always on. If you're to the far right, it'll be on random mode. And once you have something set, you can let go of setup. All right, once the actor helper has been set up with the LED, you can use that same LED dial to use your volume up and down. It's got the audio line out, which is a mono. Also RCA jacks, you can hook those up. While the audio is playing, you also have a relay that can be triggered as well. Once the audio stops, the relay goes back to normal. The audio helper has 3 modes, mode 1, 2, and 3. On mode 1, it's going to be no interrupt. So when you hit the button, you can't interrupt the sound at all. And the same thing goes for your wireless one as well. If you hit the button, you can't interrupt it. On mode 2, it's start and stop. So anytime you hit the button, it'll start it, and hitting the button again will stop it. So we'll start, stop, start, stop. Same for the wireless remote. We'll start and stop. On mode 3, it's push and hold for either the wireless or the step button. So push and hold. Once you let go, it'll stop. The actor helper board has 2 versions for audio. There's the internal 4 megabyte card, and then there's also an SD version of this, which can handle up to 32 gigs. To get into your onboard audio, you just use the USB port, and then the SD card will be on that side. Once you load the audio files in, the first audio file that you load in will be the first one, then the second, and the third, and the fourth. And then as you hit your button, it'll play first, second, third, and fourth. These also are WAV or MP3.